Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. A product that every housekeeper needs in their pantry is a good degreaser. Do you have one? This item is essential because it helps remove grease from tiles, counters, stoves, and even from inside the oven. Although the house needs to be frequently cleaned as a whole, the kitchen is one of those places that need more daily care. If you have ever tried to clean your kitchen only to realize that you are out of degreaser, learn now how to make a homemade degreaser to help you keep your house clean. You will need 1 cup lemon juice, around 5 to 6 lemons, 2 tablespoons baking soda, 2 cups neutral dish soap, 1 cup alcohol. To make your homemade degreaser, put all the ingredients in a bottle. Mix them well and wait until the foam settles down. After that, put the solution in a spray bottle and it is ready to use. Apply it on the greasy surface and clean as usual. If you want, you can also use this degreaser on shower stalls and also to clean your windows and glass surfaces. And remember, when you are cleaning your stove or stainless steel pans, use white, yellow, or blue sponges to not scratch your appliances. Besides being safe for your health, it is also safe for your wallet. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.